This 2024 Grand Design Imagine 3210BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features a Hearthstone interior, sleeps 8, spare tire kit, smoke detector, microwave, TV antenna, external shower, air conditioning, slide-out, oven, LP detector, self-contained, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Imagine 3210BH is 8,610 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.